Hello, everyone. Once again, you're welcome to FTGFx Weekly Market Outlook. And basically, what we do is that we analyze the market, we share with you the fundamentals, the technicals, and potential market moves that can help you in your decision making in the coming week. And you can refer to most of the weekly outlooks that we've put out already. Most of them went as predicted. Not to say that you need to use this as an investment advice, but you can use that as educational material to help you in your decision making. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel to receive notifications whenever we post our weekly outlook. The platform that I'm using, or the platform that is funding me to be able to trade, to the style that I like is the proptrade.com. And as you can see here, you can just search the proptrade.com in your browser. We do the technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So for the fundamental analysis, you move the mouse to, we have evaluation here, we have trading here, we have resources and all. So you click on trading, there you see economic calendar. So basically with the economic calendar, we get to know what is going to happen in the week. Okay, the events that are going to happen in a week. But I want to filter that out and also be specific with the dates. So I move the mouse to this part. I click on this to be sure of the dates. It should be 19 to 25 or 25th. Then you click on apply. So all the news that will be coming up from the 19th to 25th of January is going to show up. But we have different types of news. We have the high impact, medium impact, low impact, and no impact news. So you click on filter like this, filter. You scroll down, okay, and then here importance. So I select the high impact and then maybe the medium impact, and then I click on and apply. Okay, so on the 19th, no news. So 20th, we have JPY or yen. Canada, we have news coming up on Monday. And Tuesday, we have news coming up from the UK and then news coming up from Canada. And I'm interested in this news coming up from Canada, the CPI or Consumer Price Index. News coming up is a news that can move the markets. Okay, so I'm interested in maybe a Canadian pair. Let me look out for another news that can also impact or shake the markets, and then from that I can then decide on the currency pair I would like to trade. JPY or Japan, they have news coming up on their export trade balance and all. I think on Friday, okay, so for Japan they are going to have their interest rates news coming up on Friday. The speculated or the forecast is 0.5% and previously reported was 0.25. So then it means that there's expected to be a rate hike or increase in interest rates. So looking at this CPI or consumer price news coming out from Canada and then interest rates news coming out from Japan, I would prefer trading CADJPY or Canadian dollar against Japanese yen because they all have some news coming up and that's going to create some kind of volatility, and in that sense it would be nice to trade that. So yes, now if you already have an account with the proptrade.com, you just click on the black circle at the top right corner. If you don't have an account, you click on the green just beside the black circle to register an account. I have a funded account, $100,000 funded account. So I move the mouse to the top right corner, the black circle. I click on that like this. This page pops up for me to sign in. So I log in, click on login to log into my account. If you want to purchase an account, I'm giving you this special promo, okay? A promo code. So you just type that in here where we have the coupon code. You type welcome 25 and then you click on apply. There you have $16 discount. That's just 25% discount on any account that you are purchasing. Select any of the account type you select, you get funded. Like I always say, one of the key problems in trading has got to do with funding. Okay, so if you don't have good capital, that's going to be a problem for you. I move the mouse to the left side. I click on funded accounts. Now the prop trade is providing me with the funds, but the platform that I will use for the analysis is called Trade Locker. So I move the mouse to the right side. I click on Trade Locker like this, and then the Trade Locker page pops up, and that is where I'm going to get all my analysis done, my technical analysis. Because for the fundamental, at least we have a fair idea of the news that will be coming up in the week. Like I said, in the market, we have different types of markets, okay, or financial market. We have the commodities, we have the crypto, we have indices, a lot. But I would like us to look out for potential trades in the forex market, the crypto market, and then also in the commodities market. So first of all, we look at the crypto market. So I move the mouse to the top right side, and then I search BTCUSD. Bitcoin being the mother of all the cryptocurrencies. I'd like us to have a look at that. So I click on that, and I just click on here where I have the mouse just to expand the chart like this. Move this down here somewhere, down here. Then I minimize this so that we can have access to the charts, look at the chart very well. I just deleted everything on the chart. I want to move this somewhere, but it's not allowing. Okay, so with this, I would like us to look at it from a 4-hour chart. Minimize that, and then as you can see, okay, so if we have a very good look at it, okay, or a close look at it, we realize that, this is the all-time high. It was around $108,000 thereabouts. If you look at this, so I have identified the resistance. Okay, I have identified the resistance that is preventing the price from moving up more. Okay, so I look out for a horizontal line to draw my resistance. So I click here, I select horizontal line, I place it here. Okay, all right. So looking at this closely, you realize that when the price was here, okay, it got rejected, and then here it got rejected again. And at this point, okay, where the price is currently, where it is now, here, you realize that the price broke through the resistance and it's retracing or is going down. Now, if you are looking out for a buy opportunity, you can wait for the candlestick to get rejected by this. It was a resistance and it got broken. So currently it's a support. So you can wait for this support to get the price rejected to the upside, and then you can place your buy order. And when you buy, you ensure you have your stop loss just below the support. If you would also want to sell, you can wait for the candlestick here to break the support to the downside, and then you can place your sell order. And when you place that, you have your stop loss just above the support. Okay, so basically this is our analysis for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin can be found in the crypto markets. Now let's look at the commodities market. So I would like us to look at gold, XAUUSD. Gold, XAUUSD. Okay. So this is what we have for gold too. Now, if you look at this very well, you realize that it has something. It has the feel has got to do with that of the Bitcoin. Okay, if you look at it carefully. So this is what happened with gold. Last week it moved up to this, and this is the resistance. Okay, this is the current resistance. But prior to that, this was also a resistance, but it got broken, which is currently serving as a support. This, okay, so this is currently serving as a support. Why? Because if you look at this carefully, at this point, price got rejected. At this point, price also got rejected. And at this point, so next to it got ordered. Then that was the resistance. It got broken, okay, and then it got to that's current resistance. So the previous resistance is now the support, and then we now have a current resistance. So it just tells us that the market or the price is ranging between the previous resistance, which is currently the support, and the current resistance. Now, if you're looking out for a let's say a sell opportunity, okay, what you can do is that you can wait for this candlestick or the next candlestick or the price to break through the support or the current support. Okay, so when that happens, if you're looking out for a sell opportunity, when the price breaks through the support, you can sell. Okay, and then have your stop loss just above the support. However, if you're also looking out for buy opportunity, what you can do is that you can wait for the support to get tested. Okay, and when it rejects the price, you can buy. And then when it gets to the resistance and it gets broken again to the upside or the current resistance, you can also place your buy order. Okay, so this is how to trade gold, okay, in the coming week. Current support, current resistance. You can choose to sell when the support breaks to the downside, and when it happens, you have your stop loss above the support. You can choose to buy when the support rejects the price, and then with that, you have your stop loss just below the support. So that is how to trade gold in the coming week. And then gold, it can be found in the commodities market. Now we are going to look at the forex markets, and the pair we'd like us to look at is CADJPY. Okay, so you move the mouse to the top right. If you want to get rid of, you want to have a full access to the chart, look at where I have the mouse, you double click it, so everything leaves and then you have just the chart. But if you want to have it back, you move the mouse to the extreme right, you right click it, and then this pops up. And now we are going to look out for CADJPY. So CADJPY, then you select Pro, because I'm using a Pro account. Click on that. Pro account, because the Pro firm funds traders, and like I said, they have different account types: Pro, Express, Standard. So I have a Pro account. Now that I've selected that, I just click that, and then that leaves. Okay, I'm using a 4-hour chart, or for all of them I use 4-hour chart. And if you want to set your time frame to a 4-hour time frame, move the mouse to the top left corner, 4-hour, you click on that, then you select 4-hour. Yes, okay, so let me minimize it a bit. Okay, 4-hour moment. So just minimize it, and then that is what we have as our 4-hour chart. So you can, a moment, that's an uptrend. You select that for our trend line. Let's see if this can, okay, moment. So that's an uptrend line which rejected the price, or the price at some point. So that is what we are going to base our analysis on. If you look at this carefully, okay, it started from here, here where I have the mouse and the arrow pointed here. Move it up. Okay, so yeah, so it started from here, and then when the price moved up further, it tried coming back down, okay, and it got rejected at this point, and then it continued the uptrend. So at this point, you can see the price approaching the same, the trend line, okay, is approaching that. So two things can happen here. If you're looking out for a buy opportunity, you wait for the candlestick or the price to get rejected by this uptrend line, then you can buy. Or, and then if you buy, you have your stop loss just below the uptrend line. Or if you are looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for the uptrend line to get broken to the downside, and then when that happens, you can place your sell order and then have your stop loss just above the uptrend line. Now, based on risk appetite, that's why we are just sharing with you the key areas that you can place your buy or your sell trades, okay? But depending on you, what you want as a profit and what you want as a loss, you can now set it to your taste, okay? Then that depends on risk appetite. But these are the key levels and how to approach these markets in the coming week. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you also don't have an account with the proptrade.com, Just get an account, sign up, get an account, use the coupon code welcome25, welcome25 like this. Then you press, you get a discount for getting an account. Once again, thank you. Trade safe. Ensure you apply your stop loss, your take profits, risk management, and have a successful week. Thank you. Bye bye.